In a stunning turn of events, two influential Democrats have issued a bombshell memo outlining an audacious plan to replace President Joe Biden on the 2024 ticket. Imagine a political showdown featuring none other than Taylor Swift and Oprah. This wild proposal, reported by Semafor, details a high-stakes blitz primary that could change the face of American politics forever. The masterminds behind this ambitious plan are Rosa Brooks, a Georgetown law professor with a history in both the Obama and Clinton administrations, and Ted Dintersmith, a venture capitalist and education philanthropist. Their memo suggests Biden should step down by mid-July, clearing the way for a rapid primary contest among potential Democratic candidates, including high-profile celebrities. Under this proposal, Vice President Kamala Harris would support Biden's decision to step aside. Aspiring candidates would have only a few days to announce their candidacy, with the top 6 vote-getters from delegates pledging to run positive-only campaigns. Weekly forums moderated by cultural icons like Michelle Obama, Oprah, and Taylor Swift would elevate the discourse. The final nominee would be selected using a ranked choice voting system just before the Democratic National Convention in Chicago on August 19. Brooks and Dintersmith envision the new nominee being unveiled on stage alongside Biden, former President Barack Obama, and former President Bill Clinton. They argue this dramatic shift would re-energize the party and generate massive donations, portraying Biden as a selfless leader akin to George Washington. However, the plan faces significant challenges. Biden has shown no inclination to step down, and Vice President Harris's role in this scenario remains uncertain. Despite these hurdles, Brooks claims widespread support among party donors and officials, suggesting that the Democratic leadership might back the plan if Biden agrees. Biden's recent performance at the CNN debate on June 27, where he struggled to maintain coherence and appeared disoriented, has fueled calls for his withdrawal. His subsequent interview with George Stephanopoulos, where he implied only divine intervention could persuade him to leave the race, has done little to quell concerns about his fitness for office. Prominent Democrats like Judiciary Ranking Member Jerry Nadler and House Veterans Affairs Committee Ranking Member Mark Takano are among those urging Biden to reconsider his candidacy. Despite the growing pressure, Biden continues to campaign, recently making appearances at a black church and an ice cream shop in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. His offbeat remarks and perceived lack of clarity have done little to reassure his critics within the party. The memo from Brooks and Dintersmith presents a radical, yet intriguing vision for the Democratic Party's future, hinging on unprecedented celebrity involvement and a complete overhaul of the primary process. As the clock ticks towards mid-July, the political world watches with bated breath. Will Biden heed the call to step down, paving the way for a blitz primary that could redefine American politics? Or will the Democratic Party face an uphill battle with Biden at the helm? Only time will tell, but one thing is clear, the race for 2024 just got a lot more interesting.